no strangers to having a quarterback legend come to town. Joe Montana did it back in 1993 after his time in San Francisco. How possible do you think it is that he ends up there?
Oh, very possible. I mean, you talk about this situation, it's great for many reasons. You talk about Jamal Charles. He's coming back, and a healthy Jamal Charles was the team out there, the Kansas City Chiefs, that won and led the league in rush in 2010. You talk about Eric Berry, your best player on defense. He comes back. So you talk about two great players coming back into the fold, and then obviously Dwayne Bowe. And you bring all those elements together, and then you say, wow, Dwayne Bowe, you went out there and had 20 touchdowns in your last 2 years without Peyton Manning. Now you bring Peyton Manning into the mix. This is a great team, and defensively, they were 11th ranked last year. It's just a lot of great things going on there. Romeo Crennel, first-year head coach the entire season this time. Open-minded system that I think would accommodate Peyton Manning. It's a great situation.
You might think I'm a blonde idiot, but how much does location really matter? Why would he want to go to Kansas City if he's got Miami and Arizona?
Yeah, I mean, we heard Adam Schefter say he likes the smell of grass.
Yeah.
Does he like the feel of cold? Because
yeah, seriously.
I went out to Arrowhead Stadium a few times when I was a San Diego Charger, and December and January, it could be pretty nippy out there. And we know about Peyton Manning and his struggles in the cold weather games in December and January. So there are some demerits here as well, but there are a lot of positive signs.
The only one that knows is Manning himself. Okay, so we're going to bring out the Manning meter once again, okay? The Chiefs, what do you think? Where do you think they stack up in those that are courting him?
I would say an 8. I mean, they're up there. They're in
Marcellus.
they're on the short list. If you think about it, one, they're in the AFC, so they're away from Eli Manning in the NFC, and that to me matters. They're in the AFC West. I mean, that's his division for the taking. Last year we saw the Denver Broncos win it at 8-8. You also just look at the fact that this is a great place to play. I mean, football is #1 out there in Kansas City, and Peyton Manning loves those type of environments, those elements. No louder stadium to me, outdoor stadium, than Arrowhead Stadium.
He wants the hard-nosed, football-in-your-face kind of town.
Yeah.
All right, Marcellus Wiley with the latest on the Chiefs and Peyton Manning.